Did you know that a single bar of soap can contain more microorganisms than a sewer? In the microscopic realm, a world of fascinating tales awaits us. Today, we're going to explore the incredible story of soap, which is home to an astonishing array of microorganisms. From bacteria to viruses, soap is teeming with life, and it's all thanks to a process called the soap factory. This phenomenon occurs when soap interacts with water, creating a perfect environment for microorganisms to thrive. Imagine a tiny city where microorganisms work together to break down soap molecules and create a rich ecosystem. This process is known as biofilm formation, and it's a crucial step in the soap-making process. But that's not the strangest part. The microorganisms in soap can even help to clean surfaces by breaking down dirt and grime. Wait until you hear what comes next. The microorganisms in soap can also produce antimicrobial compounds that help to fight off infections. For centuries, soap has been a staple in our daily lives, and it's all thanks to the incredible microorganisms that live within it. Scientists have discovered that the microorganisms in soap can even help to reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and calmness. So, the next time you wash your hands, remember that you're not just cleaning your skin, you're also interacting with a complex ecosystem of microorganisms. It's like a tiny world, hidden from our eyes, but full of life and wonder. This phenomenon is not unique to soap. It occurs in many other everyday products, too. From toothpaste to shampoo, our daily lives are filled with microorganisms that help to keep us clean and healthy. But that's not the only fascinating thing about soap. It's also a key player in the fight against antimicrobial resistance. Antimicrobial resistance is a major public health concern, and scientists are working to develop new treatments that can combat it. Soap has been a crucial tool in this fight, as it helps to reduce the spread of antimicrobial-resistant bacteria. In fact, studies have shown that using soap regularly can help to reduce the risk of antimicrobial-resistant infections by up to 50%. But there's more. The microorganisms in soap can also help to reduce inflammation and promote wound healing. This is because soap contains a compound called saponin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a tiny miracle worker, helping to soothe and calm our skin. And the best part, saponin is found in many other natural products, too, making it a valuable resource for scientists and researchers.
As we continue to explore the fascinating world of soap, we're reminded of just how complex and interconnected our lives are.
From the soap factory to the human body, every step of the way is filled with microorganisms that help to keep us clean and healthy. But there's still so much to learn, and that's where you come in. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories like this, and join the conversation in the comments below. Let's explore the microscopic realm together and uncover the secrets that lie within. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.